ElevenLabs tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type elevenlabs.io in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account, or if you do not have one, you need to create one first by clicking the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Then click the sign up button to proceed. A verification link will be sent to your email. So go check your email inbox and click the verify email button to continue. You will then be directed to the sign in page, where you must enter your email address and password once again and click the sign in button. After that, you will be asked to provide your information. So continue by answering all the questions given to you. Next, you will be asked what you would like to do with ElevenLabs, and you may choose one option or click the skip option to move forward. After that, you will be asked to choose your billing plan, where you can also select the skip option to continue. Finally, you can begin by typing the text you want or by choosing one of the options provided.